Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to delete conversation from Google Chat on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To delete conversation from Google Chat, go to your Google Chrome browser and click on Google Apps icon on upper right corner, then click on Chat. In menu button of left side, just click on the conversation item, click on three dot icon here, and below you will find an option delete conversation. Just click on delete conversation. Now click on delete, and look, the conversation has been deleted. I am going to delete another conversation. Click on three dot icon and click on delete conversation. Now click on delete. Look, the conversation has been deleted from my Google Chat. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.